Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make row stay in Google Sheets. Alright, here I have opened my spreadsheet on my Google Sheets and I have imported my table as well to the spreadsheet, and we're going to practice how we can make this first row stay. Okay, and the first thing we have to do is we can click on this option, this first row. Then after that, we can click on view and just click or just select the freeze option. Then you can choose how many rows that you want to freeze or how many rows that you want to make it stay, and I'm just going to select one row. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. Even when I scroll down my spreadsheet like this first row still stay and not moving. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can make row stay in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.